Greetings from Maximus. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I'm the career counselor of Maximus. Today, I'm going to explain few things on Google BigQuery training course. In this Google BigQuery training, we will cover from basic to advanced level of the training. In case, if you're looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. Hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. Here is the agenda what the trainer is going to cover in this training video. What is Google BigQuery? That is the introduction part, course content, certifications of Google BigQuery, prerequisites, why one should choose Maximus trainer, what are the job opportunities available for Google BigQuery, Maximus introduction, corporate training benefits as well as individual training benefits, conclusion, and lastly, how to reach us or how to enroll with us for the Google BigQuery training purpose. What is Google BigQuery? Google BigQuery is a cloud-based big data problem-solving web service for processing massive read-only data sets. BigQuery was specifically designed for examining data on the order of billions of rows using a SQL-like syntax. BigQuery ML allows data scientists and data interpreters to construct and initiate ML models on planet, scale structured or semi-structured data directly inside the Google BigQuery using simple SQL in a fraction of the time. BigQuery GIS only joins the serverless architecture of BigQuery with native support for geospatial interpretation, so one can easily expand analytic workflows with location intelligence. It is a blazing first in-memory analysis service for BigQuery that permits users to interpret huge and complex datasets interactively with sub-second query response time, and high concurrency. Moving on to the next, we have the Google BigQuery course content. Let's have a look on the standard course content that we have with us today. About the course content, the trainer has listed few topics for you, what he is going to cover in this video. So here are the topics for you. Let me read out the topics of Google BigQuery. The topics are Introduction to BigQuery, BigQuery functional overview, BigQuery fundamentals, transform, stage and load data, exporting data, interfacing with external tools, working with Google Analytics Premium data, data visualization. So far, I have shown you here is the main course content. Basically, what the trainer has prepared for you for Google BigQuery training session. Moving on to the next, we have what are the benefits of certifications for Google BigQuery? Maximo's Google BigQuery training course covers all the topics required to clear Google BigQuery certification exam. One can authenticate Google BigQuery skills by earning credentials recognized in the organization and claiming digital certification badges to showcase skills mastery. Upon certification, candidate can establish them as an expert by employing Google BigQuery best practices across the organization. Here is the details of prerequisite, that is who all are eligible to take part in Google BigQuery training session. There is no specific prerequisite for learning Google BigQuery training course. Any candidate with no prior knowledge in these can join the Google BigQuery session and learn Google BigQuery to start his career. Next, we have why Maximo's Google BigQuery trainer? It's because our trainers are real-time subject matter experts from corporate and have minimum of 10 to 15 years of experience in this field. They will tell you real-time industry Google BigQuery implementation challenges, what even they are facing in their day-to-day activities. They will also share with candidates about the case studies of Google BigQuery. The trainer will not only cover those topics, whatever they have listed down in the course content slide, but they will definitely make your project ready so that the candidate can easily start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the Google BigQuery session. They will eventually guide you for the Google BigQuery certification exam also, so that the candidate can pass the exam with an ease. What are the job opportunities available for Google BigQuery across the globe? If you are searching for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I have already opened it for you guys. I can say currently there are 61 job opportunities across India. Among these, the topmost locations are Bangalore being the top. There are 25 job opportunities for Google BigQuery. Then I can say Hyderabad, where there are 15 job openings and 12 openings in Pune and many other locations available. Let me see how much package they are offering. I can see 35 who all are ready to pay in between 6 to 10 lakhs. 18 who all are ready to pay 15 to 25 lakhs. Let's see which are the companies in India hiring for Google BigQuery. Accenture being in the top, where there are 7 job openings and many other big companies are also hiring for Google BigQuery across India. And if you are looking for job opportunities across USA, then DICE is the best platform available. Let's have a look at DICE. In DICE, currently I get to see there are 26009 job openings in DICE for Google BigQuery. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn, today there are 6793 job opening. I repeat, 6793 job openings for Google BigQuery. Let's see across the globe who all are the companies hiring for Google BigQuery. I got to see Google, PwC, Cardinal Health, Diverse Links, Deloitte, IPM Anywhere, etc. These are the top companies hiring for Google BigQuery across the world. And what are the top locations available? Currently, Germany being in the top for Google BigQuery. Then comes Poland, United States, France, Australia, Canada, etc. Why one should choose Maximus Training Institution? Maximus Institution is a 15-year-old corporate training and project consulting company. If you have to talk about our company Maximus, we are one of the top technologies training company in niche technologies across India, USA, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Maximus has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate trainings in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Austria, Israel, and Singapore, or say any country name. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided Google BigQuery training in India as well as outside India. Let's look into the next slide we have. What are the corporate training benefits of Google BigQuery from Maximus? Customization of course content can be done as the company's specific requirement. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of Google BigQuery training. Maximus corporate training program help employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location, training mode, and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. Next, what are the individual training benefits from Maximus? And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry specific subject matter experts trainer for individual project. Flexibility to select trainer and have live demo session with trainer before the starting of the Google BigQuery training. Each candidate will easily get to know the Google BigQuery certification exam process in details. On concluding today's session, I can say that BigQuery is an enterprise data warehouse that resolves the business of keeping and inquiring huge amount of datasets, which is quite time consuming and costly, which cannot be resolved in the right manner without the proper hardware and infrastructure, which acts by enabling superfast SQL queries using the processing power of Google's infrastructure. And for Maximus, I can proudly say we have industry-specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirement for companies and for individuals. This Google BigQuery training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individuals training, individuals may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places. But arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individuals is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that Google BigQuery has great market job opportunities throughout the world. Excellent trainer, implementation and configuration level training, course completion certificate, Google BigQuery certification tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All this option makes us excellent and first choice for learning Google BigQuery training course. For any information, or if you want to enroll with us for Google BigQuery training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maxmonus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. And one can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box. And the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in Google BigQuery, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full Google BigQuery training session with Maximus. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.